defense attorney who is a former prosecutor is in a unique position to understand how the prosecution is gathering its evidence, how it's viewing the case, and what holes there may be to poke into the prosecution's case. They can understand the prosecutor's strategy in the way they put together the case, and by doing that, can prepare a stronger defense of the case. Now, what I find and have found in my career to be exceptionally helpful as a former federal prosecutor is that when I speak to the prosecution, they know that I know what they know. They know that they can't get things by me and that I understand why they're doing what they're doing and what else might be out there for the defense to use in the defending of the case. It also, most importantly, helps the conversations between the defense and the prosecution because the prosecution now doesn't look at the defense attorney as an opposing person, though of course they are in opposition in this particular case, but there's more of a common understanding of how the law works, of how these investigations work, and a respect that I think goes both ways so that I'm able to say things to a prosecutor such as, just because you can prosecute this person and just because you may have reason to believe that the offense occurred, and maybe the offense even did occur, there's fairness that needs to be injected into the system. It's not just can you prosecute, can you win this case, but is that fair in this particular case? And that fairness discussion, I believe, is unique when it comes to being a former federal prosecutor who's now a defense attorney, having that discussion with a current prosecutor. I think that conversation goes much more smoothly and is much more helpful to the accused. If you want more information related to what I've just given you, and you want it to get the information that is relevant to your particular case, because that's all that matters is your particular case, I would recommend that you schedule a consultation with Nancy Kardon of Kardon Law by calling 310-708-1044. I will schedule a consultation with you as quickly as possible. Thank you.